Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace Hyundai Elantra 2013 headlight bulb. Start by parking safely, switching off the engine, and disconnecting the battery negative terminal to avoid shocks. Wear gloves to protect the bulb and your hands. Remove the front panel clips and screws gently to access the headlight housing. Keep parts organized and take a photo for reference. Follow bulb orientation and test the light before reassembling the trim. Begin by opening the hood and locating the back of the headlight assembly. Remove any plastic covers or access panels held by clips or screws, then gently twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull it straight out. Handle the old bulb carefully to avoid breaking the glass. Compare the removed bulb to the replacement to confirm type and orientation. Keep small fasteners in a container so nothing gets lost during reassembly. Put on clean gloves and unpack the replacement bulb without touching the glass. Align the bulb tabs with the headlight housing, push in firmly, and twist clockwise until it locks. Reconnect the wiring harness, then reconnect the battery negative terminal and switch on the headlights to verify beam alignment and function. If the light is misaligned, adjust the housing or aiming screws as needed. Once confirmed, power down and reattach covers and trim carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.